Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In this question, a line is tangent to a circle at point T. A horizontal line segment AC intersects the circle at points B and C, and meets the tangent line perpendicularly at point A, such that angle TAB is equal to 90 degrees. Given that AB is equal to 2 units, and BC is equal to 6 units. Our goal is to calculate the exact area of triangle BCT. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me, and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comments section. To solve this problem, first, let's find the total length of the secant segment AC. The points A, B and C lie on a straight line in that order. Therefore, the total length of the secant line segment AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB is equal to 2. BC is equal to 6. Therefore, AC is equal to 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. Next, let's recall the tangent-secant theorem. It states that, when a tangent segment and a secant segment are drawn to a circle from an exterior point, the square of the tangent segment is equal to the product of the entire secant segment and its external portion. From this theorem, it follows that AT squared is equal to AB times AC. AB is equal to 2. AC is equal to 8. If we plug in these values in the above expression, AT squared will be equal to 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. So, AT squared is equal to 16. Taking the square root of both sides will leave us with AT is equal to 4. Now, to find the area of triangle BCT, we can treat the segment, BC, as the base of the triangle. Because the line segment, AC, is perpendicular to the tangent line, AT, the length of AT represents the exact perpendicular height of triangle BCT relative to its base BC. Going further, we can calculate the area using the standard triangle formula. To do this, let's recall that the area of a triangle is 1 over 2 times base times height. So, the area of triangle BCT is equal to 1 over 2 times BC times AT. BC is equal to 6. AT is equal to 4. If we plug in these values in the above expression, we will have 1 over 2 times 6 times 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and we are left with 1 times 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. Hence, the area of triangle BCT is 12 square unit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.